Today on HandyDadTV, we're talking about the most overlooked, yet most important aspect of any shower, the drain. Coming up. Welcome to HandyDadTV. I'm Chris Hyder, your virtual dad in the cloud, and today we're talking about shower drains. Now, if you've been watching this entire series, you know that I had one episode that was all about the shower pan. And I put in the liner, I put in the concrete, I poured the concrete, I waterproofed it. Anyway, I touched on the drain slightly in that video. I showed you how I installed the parts underneath the floor, but I really never talked about the part that you see, and that's what I wanted to talk about today. How can I say this is the most important part of the shower? Well, if you don't have a drain, what do you have? It's not a shower. It's not even a bathtub, because a bathtub has a drain. It would be like a pool. It would just fill up with water. So that goes without saying. The drain is how the water gets away. So it's very important. It's a very important part of your shower. So let me explain how this works. This is a three-part system here. This is the part that goes underneath the floor and connects to your pipes. This gets cemented onto PVC. And that PVC can join to anything else. In my situation, it was copper. But this goes under the floor. And then you have your shower pan liner that comes in here, gets installed with caulk, put into place, and then there's this lock ring goes on top of that, and it sandwiches that liner in here. That goes on. These get tightened down, and that liner is now watertight. Any water that gets through your tile and through that concrete gets to the liner and will make its way down to the drain. It won't leak into the rest of the house. So that's the theory behind this. What you put above this is the part that you see. Now, the standard part that comes with it, it's optional, but you know, when you buy the $14 kit, it comes with a part that looks like this, and that's what you see on the outside. So by default, this is what you're going to get. Now, you don't have to go with something like this, and that's where the point of this video is, to think about the design choice, to say, what do you want in your shower? Me, I didn't want this. I had square tile in the bottom of my shower, so I wanted a square drain. And it just so happened that I was in my plumbing supply one day getting a part that I needed, and I happened to see a QM drain display on the countertop. And that's what turned me on to QM Drain. I never heard of them before, and you probably never heard of them either until you saw this video. But QM Drain, QM stands for quality metal. That's what they stand for. They use 316 stainless steel, which, do a little bit of research, it's a marine grade. It's the best stainless steel you're going to get for a bathroom fixture like this. So marine grade means it can withstand salt water, the harshness of salt water. You could actually put it in the ocean if you needed to, and it would last a lifetime. So if you've got hard water in your house, or you've got well water and you have a water softener that puts salt in your water, this will never corrode. So this is going to outlive you. It's going to outlive me for sure. So this just gets screwed in to this little part right here. So you can, don't buy the cheap one. You can go with a little bit more money and get a better drain. And this is a 4x4. This one happens to be brush metal, but they have so many different possibilities here. They have different styles of grates, and they also have different styles of finishes, I should say. In fact, they gave me a little paperweight here when they decided to sponsor this contest. This shows all the different finishes that you can get. You know, there's the polished one is the one that I got. This is a brushed. They also have bronze. They have a brushed gold, and they also have an oil rub bronze too. So pretty cool things. Not very expensive, but they do come more expensive. They have 4-inch and 6-inch square drains, but they also have those big linear drains, which are long and skinny. My wife really wanted one like that in our shower, but I looked into it, and I would have to rip up the subfloor and change the pipes, and I wasn't willing to do that. I was happy with just replacing it with something a little bit classier that looked nicer in the floor. With our square tile, I have a square drain. So that's really the point that I wanted to get today. I wanted you guys to, number one, learn about QM Drain, and they are sponsoring this contest. And number two, know that there are alternatives. When you hire somebody to do your shower, you're probably going to pick out for them the tile that you want, the faucet that you want, the shower head, all that stuff, even the color of the grout, all those details. But you may not think about the drain, and if you don't, you're going to get something like this. So all I'm saying is the drain is an important detail that you're going to look at for however long you're going to be living with that bathroom. So think it through. That's really the point. All right, let's talk about the contest. So this one is a sample that they sent me to use in this video. But this one is actually a unopened, brand new retail packaging drain, ready to go. It is in the polished finish. Looks like chrome, but it's not. It's stainless steel. This is the exact same drain that I installed in my bathroom. So you could have the same exact drain that I have. This is actually going to be second prize. First prize is going to be the same thing, but you get to choose the finish. Sound good? So, first prize, you pick the finish. Second prize is the shiny one. So if you're doing a bathroom that you've got chrome finishes in, this will work great. I was only doing this once. It had to be perfect. All right, I'd like to just take a moment to thank QM Drain for providing the products for this video and for sponsoring the contest. Guys, if you learned something and you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, and I will see you in the next one. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Look for HandyDadTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and visit the website HandyDad.tv for more great ideas and information.